What's up, YouTube? Zane here from Luke Metalworks. Hey, so a topic that I've seen brought up a lot in a lot of the groups I belong to on Facebook, a lot of the videos that I watch on YouTube, and even the conversation at work that we have with other maintenance techs and mechanics and that kind of stuff. So where I work, we have a lot of expensive tools. We use a lot of expensive brands, Milwaukee, Gear Wrench, whereas we use a lot of very expensive tools. But at the same time, those expensive tools are expensive. When I started, just like everybody else, I had a lot of Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight gets a lot of flack. The hand tools are not necessarily the most high quality. So you open up my toolbox, I have Harbor Freight, I have Gear Wrenches, I have Craftsman, I have everything in there. There's good and there's bad and there's in the middle. So I wanted to say, if you are thinking about starting a business, a metal fabrication business, a mechanics business, whatever you want to, talk about. It's a little different for everybody. I would love to say that when I started this business, I went out and bought the most expensive everything. That's just not how it is. It's not practical. It was not in the cards for us. And just like other videos that I've watched, just like other metal fab shops that I've seen on YouTube, everybody starts somewhere. And a big part of our business has been Harbor Freight. I mean, it's not the greatest stuff, necessarily. As you can see the blast cabinet back there, it works. It does. Is it the best, the biggest, and the shiniest? No. Does it leak like a sieve? It does. But it works. And for a little shop like us, that's all that I need. It has saved us a lot of money with Harbor Freight. It has gotten us to where we are. So if you are thinking about starting a business, or you have to start somewhere. And I'm proud to say that we have started with Harbor Freight. Not everything, but they have definitely helped us out a lot to get us where we're at. And if you think that I'm going to pay $100 for one little tool and a gear wrench or Snap-on or anything like that, when I could buy it at Harbor Freight for like $10, I would rather buy 10 of them, for $10 at Harbor Freight. But that's all up to opinion. I have a lot of Weras. I have a lot of very expensive tools that I use at work, and they're amazing. Don't get me wrong, but Harbor Freight has definitely given our small business the opportunity to grow without being completely broke. So give it a shot, try them, go from there. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything like that, comment down below, message me. I'll like, follow, share, all that stuff on Facebook, Instagram, our YouTube, LukeMetalworks.com. All right, guys, have a good one.